Hello friends, in this small presentation we will discuss about some part related to strings in Python. So as all of we know that in Python there are different data types and there are different data structures as well, as treated as iterative data structures in the form of lists, dictionary, sets, tuples and all. So on the same line there are strings. So in general strings are considered as one of the most useful kind of a structure in Python or in any programming language. No doubt Python is not separately supporting a character data type, but these are treated as string of length 1. So this is also as acting as a substring. To access this, we can use square bracket for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain the respective substring. So this is one small example. Like say for example var1 is equal to one message I have written here, hello world, and var2 is equal to one more message, Python programming. As all of we know that when we declare any string we can use single quotes as well as double quotes, and if so many lines are there then we can go for triple quotes as per Python syntax. Now here it is print, suppose I have written here var1 and index I have given 0, var1 0, then var2 from 1 to 5, and this is the message, and then in front of that just I have written the contents which are to be printed. Now this particular will show you, if we execute this small thing, then var0 from var1 it will give you 0 means h character, and from var2 1 to 5 means from 1, that is 0 is p, then y t h o. So 1 to 5, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here remember that 5 is not included, up to 5. So up to 4 it will give you the respective characters. Now if you want to update, then directly you can add. There is a method in the form of appending. We can add or we can modify the string. Say for example in the existing string if we want to add, then here it is var1 is equal to one message I have given, and for updation purpose from which position you want to update, so that particular number colon and that number, then and plus whatever we want. So accordingly the updated string will be say for example here hello Python. As all of we know that there are different characters which are made available as an escape characters from the string. So some of them I have just summarized here, like /a/b/cx, that is control x, then /e escape, then f form feed, or mc meta control x, or new line, that is /n, new nnn, then octal notation where n is in the range 0 to 7, then /r, that is carriage return, then /s, that is a space, /t is tab, /v is vertical tab, /x is character x, and /xnn is hexadecimal notation where n is in the range 0 to 9. So this way you can have different characters, and then there are different spatial operators as well, like plus, then asterisk mark, then square bracket, that is for interpreting the actual slice, then square bracket and colon. So this is a range slice, gives the character from the given range. So these are string spatial operators. We call them as a string spatial operators. So string variable holds say for example one message, and the another variable if suppose holding, then you can have like this the different operations which you can perform. So in, not in, or raw string, for that purpose suppress actual meaning of escape character, this is doing, and then for formatting purpose also we can use this %. Now one more thing, that is actually my purpose is to directly demonstrate two different programs. So for time being just I'm showing you some built-in methods and all. So just a moment, I will just cut this. So these are some of the built-in methods available for various operations, like capitalize. So it is going to capitalize first letter of a string, then center, then return space padded string with original string center to total of width columns, then count, then decodes, or like so many are there. So I'm not going to read out all of them. So these are some built-in methods like isNum, then is alpha, is digit, is lower, is numeric, is space, is upper, and many more. So some of them I have just listed here. Instead of just reading them, actually we will go for the programs. So for the introduction purpose, briefly, just I have shared these some of the slides, and now we will go for some examples. So one by one in different coming presentations, we will go for these examples. Now, first of all, I am showing you one. So where we are going to simple operation we are doing, that is we are reversing the string. So this is one small code. So my original program is this one, and just I will move little bit. See here. So my first string is string 1, say Python, and original string I want to print. And then this is a style you can reverse. There's double colon and -1. So this will reverse the string. You can see. So this is original and this is in the reverse manner. So whatever string I have written, it is in the reverse manner. We'll go for one more. So this is one more example where we are going to count the number of characters, number of digits, and number of symbols in the given string. So see the program. I have defined one function. So find digits, characters, and symbols. This way I have named that function, and I'm going to give input string. Then character count is 0 in the beginning, digit count is 0, symbol count is made 0. And now we are executing here a small for loop for character in input string. So whatever input string we are going to give, then if character dot is lower or character dot is upper, so either small case or capital case, so lower or upper, whatever it may be, we are going to count it and we are going to increase character count by 1 every time. Else if character dot is a numeric is a method we are using. So here we have used is lower, is upper, and now this is numeric. Then digit count we are going to increment, and else by default if it is not character and if it is not a digit, then directly we are making it else symbol count plus equal to 1. So it is going to add that. So and then afterwards we are going to print character. Make it little. So character, then digits, and then symbol. Now see here one message I have given here, input string equal to, say for example in double quote I have written @welcome, and now print total counts of characters, digits, and symbols, and then I have called this particular function. So the function is find digit, character, and symbol count. So and the argument passed is input string. Now we can execute here. Just see. So in the message given, you can check. Just see here. My message is @welcome. So here the total number of characters are WELCOME. That is total 7 characters. Digits, there is no digit. And symbol, this space is also considered, and @. So 2 spaces and 1 @ symbol. So total there are 3 symbols. I will make here something. So 1, 2, 3, and then @welcome, and I am adding, say for example, SIT, and let me add one more symbol. So say for example star, 2 stars. Okay. Now if I execute this, first of all save. Now you can see here the execution. How many characters are there? You can see these are 7 plus SIT 3. So total 10 characters. Digits are 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits, and symbols are @ 2 star, and in the beginning and in the end 2 spaces. So total number of symbols are 2 space characters, 1 @ and 2 stars. So total 5. So these symbols are 5. So this is one more program. Let me show you one more, so that in the next presentation we'll go for some other programs. Suppose, say for example, there is a string given and I want to replace whichever are the symbolic kind of punctuations or say symbols using some other character. So here I have written, I've used here from string import punctuation. So this particular I have imported, and now str1, one string I have given here, one message, then print the original string is, and then replace character is equal to hash, and I am calling it as for character in punctuation. So this is my particular, but this is going to check for all the possibilities, and str1 is equal to str1 dot replace character comma replace character by whichever replace character I have given as a hash. So this string dot punctuation to get the list of all punctuations, and string function replace, this replace dot replace to replace each punctuation with one particular symbol, say for example hash. And now I will execute this, run module. Okay, you can see here this is the original string, whatever I have written, and then the string replaced wherever there is a punctuation mark. So this slash and that is symbol in general, asterisk mark, hash hash, then in between there is @ that has been replaced, and then after this also 4. So these are the 4 hash. So wherever dash dash and 2 exclamatory marks. So all these have been replaced. So this is for 2 methods here. We have used punctuation, string dot punctuation, and as well as we have used replace method. So this way we can program. So 2-3 examples just we have seen in this. In next presentation we will go for some other examples. Thank you.